Hello, good morning students and most welcome on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to start the next example of the topic continuity of the exercise 8.1. In previous lecture we completed a question number 7 up to question number 7. It means we have to start the question number 8 right now. Okay, so what is question number 8? So discuss the continuity of the following functions indicated given the point. So here what is the function here? Question number 8, example number first. This is question number 8, example number first. F of x is equal to root 3 minus tan x divided by pi minus 3x for x is not equal to pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 4 for x is equal to pi by 3 and we have to discuss at x is equal to pi by 3. So डिस्कस करना मीन्स हमें चेक करना है ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस है या डिसकंटिन्यूअस है. सो कंटिन्यूअस कब बनेगा? जब इस फंक्शन का लिमिट और ये वैल्यू सेम रहेंगी. दिस इज द वैल्यू एफ ऑफ एक्स एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 3 मीन्स एफ ऑफ पाई बाय 3 इज 3 by 4. x is not equal to pi by 3 means we have to find the limit of this function at x tends to pi by 3. x tends to pi by 3 का meaning क्या? x is not equal to pi by 3. So first of all, so let us write given f of pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 4. Equation first. So x की जगह पर pi by 3, x is equal to pi by 3 यहाँ पर रखना है. उसकी वैल्यू कितनी दी है? 3 by 4. So this is the 3 by 4 is the value of this function. Now we have to find the limit. Limit x tends to pi by 3 f of x, and here f of x is what? Root 3 minus tan x, root 3 minus tan x divided by pi minus 3x. So this is the function. Okay, so clearly this is a 0 by 0 form. If we replace x is equal to pi by 3 here, tan pi by 3 is root 3, tan 60 is root 3, root 3 minus root 3 0, pi minus 3 into pi by 3, 3 cancel, pi minus pi 0. Now here substitution is the only option. Put x is equal to pi by 3 plus h as x tends to pi by 3, h tends to 0. As x tends to pi by 3, h tends to 0. So this limit becomes this equal to, so this left hand side carry here, limit h tends to 0 now. So root 3 minus tan pi by 3 plus h divided by pi minus 3 into pi by 3 plus h. ये दो x की जगह पर रिप्लेस करो pi by 3 plus h. दिस इज द सब्सटीट्यूशन. h इज द स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंट. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0 root 3 minus tan a plus b formula, tan pi by 3 plus tan h divided by 1 minus tan pi by 3 into tan h whole divided by pi minus 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो minus pi minus 3h. So this is tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b का formula क्या? कंपाउंड एंगल formula tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. So now tan 60 degrees root 3. Limit h tends to 0. This root 3 as it is minus root 3 plus tan h divided by 1 minus root 3 into tan h whole divided plus pi minus pi 0 divided by minus 3h. Here upon 1. So we can cross multiply this. Root 3 into 1 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 3. 1 into minus root 3h minus root 3. 1 into minus tan h is minus tan h whole divided by this factor goes to common denominator minus 3h into 1 minus root 3 tan h. Now this plus root 3 minus root 3 0. Limit h tends to 0. Minus 3 tan h minus tan h is minus 4 tan h divided by minus 3 h. minus 3 into h into taking limit separately of this function 1 minus root 3 tan h, because that is a determinate form, we can replace h by 0. So this minus minus cancel, 4 by 3. tan h by h का लिमिट कितना है 1. tan 0 is 0, 1 minus 0, root 3 into 0 is 0 because tan 0 is 0. So what is here limit 4 by 3. This is equation second. So left hand side is limit x tends to pi by 3 f of x. So this is the left hand side of this. So from equation first and second, equation first is the value, that is 3 by 4, equation second is the limit, that is 4 by 3, which is absolutely different. So you should mention there limit of the function is not equal to value of the function. हमें उस वहाँ पर mention करना, you can mention here and finally write the answer. The function is discontinuous at x is equal to pi by 3. Function क्या है? Discontinuous है. Okay, that is our answer. Okay, so we'll take next. Let's see the second example of question number 8. He has given the function x is not equal to 0, means we have to find the limit of this function at x tends to 0. So this is the value of this function at x is equal to 0, and we have to discuss the function is either continuous or discontinuous. So as usual procedure here is what? First of all write the given. Given is always value, which is f of 0 is equal to 1 equation first. Then find out limit of this function. Limit x tends to 0 because x is not equal to 0. F of x is equal to, write the function. What is function? E to the power 1 by x minus 1 divided by e to the power 1 by x plus 1. अगर यहाँ पर x की जगह पर 0 रख दिया तो 1 by 0 कितना होता है? As x tends to 0, 1 by x tends to what? Infinity. So e raised to infinity is infinity. And infinity minus 1 is infinity, infinity plus 1 is also infinity. देखो 8 e to the power infinity हो जाएगा because 1 by x कितना होता है? Infinity होता है. As x tends to 0, e raised to infinity वो infinity होता है. Infinity minus 1 वो भी infinity, infinity plus 1 वो भी infinity. So obviously this is because of what? Infinity by infinity. ये infinity by infinity हो गया indeterminate form है. So यहाँ पर सब्सटीट्यूशन मेथड अप्लाई करेंगे. पुट x इज इक्वल टू 0 माइनस एच. फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा किया मैंने 0 माइनस एच, बिकॉज ये जो केस है यहाँ पर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट पहले फाइंड करेंगे. राइट हैंड लिमिट रहा तो 0 प्लस, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट रहा तो 0 माइनस. एज x टेंस टू 0 माइनस h टेंस टू 0, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू लिमिट h टेंस टू 0, h tends to 0 e to the power 1 upon x की जगह पर 0 माइनस h माइनस 1 e to the power 1 upon 0 plus h 0 माइनस h प्लस 1. ये जो x है वहाँ पर 0 माइनस h पुट करना है बिकॉज वी फाइंड लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट. हम लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड कर रहे हैं. वाई? Because as x tends to 0, 1 by x tends to infinity. So it is infinity by infinity. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, h tends to 0, e to the power minus 1 by h minus 1 divided by e to the power minus 1 by h plus 1. 0 minus h is minus h. So this is limit h tends to 0, 1 upon e raised to 1 by h minus 1 divided by 1 upon e raised to 1 by h plus 1. नेगेटिव पावर को क्या किया मैंने? पॉजिटिव by taking its reciprocal. So now we put here this is 1 upon e raised to infinity is infinity minus 1, 1 upon infinity plus 1. So 1 upon infinity is 0. So this gives 0 minus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. It is minus 1, equation second. So this equation second is a left hand limit of this function. ये फंक्शन का लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड हुआ विच इज -1, वैल्यू इज +1, नो नीड टू फाइंड द राइट हैंड लिमिट. So therefore from equation first and second, limit is not equal to value. Therefore f of x is discontinuous. Function क्या है? Discontinuous है at x is equal to 0. So this function is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. So this is first time infinity by infinity. This is an indeterminate form which is a for this example. So better way we use the left hand limit, put x is equal to 0 minus h, as x tends to 0 minus h tends to 0. So by using substitution we can solve this and we can discuss this, we can check this either this is a continuous or discontinuous. So for this example function is a discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, we'll take more. Hello, now let's see the third example. we have to discuss this function either continuous or discontinuous. X is not equal to 0, it means we have to find the limit of this function. X is equal to 0 means this is the value of this function, and at x is equal to 0, this is what we have to check at this point. The function is either continuous or discontinuous. Okay, so start from the given. So what is here given? Given is value f of 0 is equal to log 2 whole square divided by 2. Equation first. This is the third question of the question number 8 of exercise 8.1. So now limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to, right, function is what here given. This is 4 to the power x minus 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos 2x. So write systematically, this is equal to 4 raised to x means 2 raised to x whole square, 2 raised to x whole square minus 2 into 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x, this is a multiple angle formula, this is 2 sin square x. 4 raised to x को 2 raised to x whole square किया, यहाँ पर पावर में एडिशन है, बेस को स्प्लिट किया, 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 1. So now this numerator becomes, I will write here, limit x tends to 0. This numerator is a complete square of 2 raised to x minus whole square upon 2 sin square x. 2 raised to x minus 1 whole square divided by 2 sin square x. Now as per requirement, we can divide on both sides by x square. Numerator 2 raised to x minus 1 whole square divided by 2 sin square x. Now taking limit of numerator separately, limit of denominator separately. These two taking outside the limit. Numerator 2 raised to x minus 1 by x whole square divided by sin x upon x whole square. Numerator square, denominator square, we write whole bracket square. Numerator square, denominator be square, write in bracket whole square. So this is algebra. So numerator becomes log 2, limit of numerator is log 2 whole square divided by 2 into 1, this is 1. So this is the limit of the given function. Limit x tends to 0, log 2 whole square divided by 2, equation second. Equation first and equation second is absolutely same. Therefore from equation first and second, limit of the function is equal to value of the function. Therefore f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at what point? At x is equal to 0. So this is the solution. So हर example में हम limit ही find कर रहे हैं. So continuity is nothing but it's absolutely revision of what? Limits. Okay, we will take question number 9 immediately after this. Now question number 9 from exercise 8.1. What is the question number 9? check the function is continuous or discontinuous. If it is a removable discontinuity, which of the following is removable discontinuity? If it is removable, then redefine the function so as to it becomes continuous. This is the question number 9. In that, first question is this क्वेश्चन, आप हमें प्रोसेस तो सेम वही करना है, इस फंक्शन का लिमिट फाइंड करना है, इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू 3/4 है. If limit exists but not equal to value, then such type of discontinuity is called as what? Removable discontinuity. What is that removable discontinuity? If limit of the function exists but not equal to value, then we say that such type of discontinuity is called removable discontinuity, and we can remove this type of discontinuity by redefining the function. So हमें सिर्फ वैल्यू को redefine करना है, so it becomes what? Continuous. Okay, so limit ही find करना है, that is the process. First of all, write given f of 0 is equal to 3/4 equation. First, limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0, f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0, function is e to the power 5 sin x minus e to the power 2x divided by 5 tan x minus 3x, 5 tan x minus 3x. सो पहली एडजस्टमेंट क्या करेंगे, ऊपर -1 + 1 करेंगे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट. e टू द पावर 5 sin x -1 और माइनस एट ए टाइम कॉमन भी निकालेंगे, ये -1. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप विच इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल एंड एज यूजुअल. ओके, सो -1 + 1 किया, उसके बाद now divide on both side by x. Limit x tends to 0 whole divided by e to the power 5 sin x minus 1 divided by x minus e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by x whole divided by 5 tan x by x minus 3x by x. So this is important second step. In second step we divide on both side by x, और उसके साथ मैंने क्या किया, उसको सेपरेट डिवाइड भी किया, बिकॉज यहाँ पर माइनस है, यहाँ पर भी माइनस है, सेपरेट डिवाइड भी किया. ये x और ये x सिर्फ कैंसिल होगा. सो नाउ लुक एट हियर, लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0, यहाँ पर 5 sin x है, यहाँ पर सिर्फ x है, e टू द पावर 5 sin x, पावर एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. सो 5 sin x से डिवाइड करो, 5 sin x से मल्टीप्लाई करो अपॉन x एज इट इज, माइनस e रेस टू 2x minus 1 डिवाइडेड बाई x. 2 से डिवाइड करो, 2 से मल्टीप्लाइड, डिवाइडेड बाय 5 tan x बाय x, tan x बाय x माइनस 3. सो यहाँ पर पावर एडजस्टमेंट किया, 2x था, 2 से डिवाइड किया, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. दिस कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड, दिस लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज 1, लिमिट ऑफ दिस कंडीशन कंसेप्ट दिस फंक्शन इज 1. सो 1 into sin x by x is also 1 into 5 minus 1 into 2 divided by 5 into 1 minus 3, 5 minus 2 3, 5 minus 3 2. So this is equation second. So this is the limit. Limit x tends to 0 f of x. Limit x tends to 0 f of x exists but not equal to f of 0. So this is removable. This is removable discontinuity. So redefine the f of 0 is equal to, सिर्फ f of 0 redefine करना है, 3/2 लिखना है, so as to continuous. So function क्या होगा, continuous हुआ, because of what, वैल्यू को मैंने रीडिफाइन किया है. सो देयरफॉर राइट एफ ऑफ एक्स. व्हाट इज एफ ऑफ एक्स? e टू द पावर 5 sin x minus e to the power 2x divided by 5 tan x minus 3x for x is not equal to 0. पहले यहाँ पर 3/4 था, अब क्या लिखना है 3/2 बिकॉज दैट इज द लिमिट. सो ये बिकम्स व्हाट? कंटिन्यूअस. सो दिस इज द रीडिफाइनिंग द फंक्शन एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? रीमूवेबल डिसकंटिन्यूटी. सो यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया? पहले चेक किया ये फंक्शन का लिमिट एग्जिस्ट है क्या. सो एग्जिस्ट है, ओके, और विच इज नॉट इक्वल टू वैल्यू. सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ डिसकंटिन्यूअस, बट दिस टाइप ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? रीमूवेबल डिसकंटिन्यूटी. सो वी कैन रिमूव द डिसकंटिन्यूटी. व्हाट? हाउ टू दैट? बाय रीडिफाइनिंग द फंक्शन. सो उसकी वैल्यू को रीडिफाइन करो, ऑब्वियसली दैट बिकम्स व्हाट? कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ रीमूवेबल डिसकंटिन्यूटी. ओके, we'll take next. Now let's see the second example. f of x is equal to log of 1 plus 5x to the base 1 plus 3x. 32 raised to x minus 1 upon 8 raised to x minus 1. Here x is greater than 0, x is less than 0. Right? It means we have to find the right hand limit of this function and left hand limit of this function. And here, if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then we say that the function exists. If function exists, then here value is not defined. Value is not defined means we have to define the value so as to it becomes what? Continuous. Okay, first of all left hand limit right hand limit सेम आना चाहिए. Okay, हम अब यहाँ पर चेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट फॉर x is greater than 0 limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, सेपरेट करेंगे log of 1 plus 5x divided by log of 1 plus 3x. So this is the property of logarithm, that is the change of base of logarithm. Log m to the base n, we can write log m by log n. Okay, now after this we divide on both sides by x. So this is requirement upon x log of 1 plus 5x and here log of 1 plus 3x. both side divided by x क्या. now हमें adjustment करना पड़ेगा, that will be the next step. so this is limit x tends to 0 plus log of 1 plus 5x divided by 5 multiplied by 5 in the numerator. Log of 1 plus 3x divided by 3 multiplied by 3. So this limit is what? 1 into 5 divided by 1 into 3. This is 5 by 3 equation second. So this equation first. So this is limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So right hand limit means what? For x is greater than 0, right hand limit कितना आया वहाँ? 5/3 आया. Now we have to find the left hand limit. So यहाँ पर mention करेंगे for x is less than 0. For x is less than 0, this is the left hand limit for the left hand. This is the function for the left hand limit. So limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus function is 32 raised to x divided by 8 raised to x. So as usual the process is what? We have to divide on both sides by x. So this is the limit of exponential function. 32 raised to x minus 1, 8 raised to x minus 1 divided by x किया. So numerator is log 32 divided by log 8. So this is the limit. 32 means 2 raised to 5, log 2 raised to 5 and 8 means 2 cube. So this is 5 into log 2 divided by 3 into log 2. This log 2 cancel. This is what? 5/3 equation second. This equation second is the left hand limit. So check the left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit is 5, right hand limit is 4, 5 by 3. So both are equal, left hand limit, right hand limit both equal. Equation example number second है. So ये लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड लिमिट 5 by 3 आया, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट भी 5 by 3 आया. सो हमें क्या करना है, हम इसको ये मैं रिमूव करता हूँ. सो लिमिट एग्जिस्ट है यहाँ पर. सो देयरफॉर लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0, f of x is exist, but f of 0 is not defined. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, but value not defined. Therefore f of x is removable discontinuity. Discontinuous है, but this is what removable discontinuity. So we can redefine the function so as to it becomes continuous. सो ये फंक्शन क्या होना चाहिए, कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए. सो इसको हम रीडिफाइन करेंगे. ये मैं रिमूव करता हूँ यहाँ पर. बड़ा सॉल्यूशन है ये. एग्जांपल 4 मार्क के लिए आते हैं ऐसे एग्जांपल्स. सो f ऑफ x फंक्शन को तो चेंज नहीं करेंगे. log ऑफ 1 + 5x टू द बेस 1 + 3x, x इज ग्रेटर दैन 0. यहाँ पर 5 by 3 लिखेंगे विच इज़ वैल्यू x इज इक्वल टू 0 इज इक्वल टू 32 raised to x minus 1 upon 8 raised to x minus 1 is x is less than 0. सो ये 5 by 3 लास्ट में ऐड किया, फर्स्ट में लिखो इट इज़ टू बी सेम. सिर्फ ये फंक्शन क्या होगा, ये कंटिन्यूस होगा. सो एज टू इट बिकम्स व्हाट, कंटिन्यूस व्हेन वैल्यू डिफाइन. लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड लिमिट सेम है. इट मीन्स फंक्शन तो एग्जिस्ट है, लिमिट ऑफ फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट है. लिमिट ऑफ फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट बट विच इज not continuous because value is not defined. So this type of discontinuity is called as what, removable discontinuity. So we can remove this type of discontinuity by redefining the function. Okay, सिर्फ वहाँ पर वैल्यू ऐड करना है. दिस इज द सेकंड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. सो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट पेज था, ये सेकंड, और ये आंसर थर्ड पेज पे. ओके, सो विल टेक नंबर थर्ड. Now let's see the example number 3. Here he has given only function at x is not equal to 0. Means here we have to find the limit of this function. But here again value not defined. वैल्यू डिफाइंड नहीं, सिर्फ इसका लिमिट एग्जिस्ट होना चाहिए. अगर लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट, obviously it is not continuous because value not defined. So we can remove this type of discontinuity. So let's see here. Limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0, 3 minus 8x, 3 minus 2x whole raised to 1 by x. So from numerator and from denominator 3 common, that will cancel. 1 minus 8 by 3x, 1 minus 2 by 3x whole raised to 1 by x. So taking separate limit, एक बार कंबाइन लिखेंगे बट सेपरेट पावर लेंगे. 1 plus minus 8 by 3, 8 by 3, 8x by 3 whole raised to 1 by x divided by 1 plus minus 2x by 3 whole raised to 1 by x. Now we have to satisfy this formula. हमें ये formula satisfy करना है. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 by x is equal to e. So this is a limit of exponential function. 1 plus x raised to 1 by x, that limit is equal to what, e. So ये सो सेपरेट लिमिट लेने के बाद देखो क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर सिर्फ पावर एडजस्ट करना है. लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर, इन ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस माइनस 2x बाई 3 रेस टू, इसका रेसिप्रोकल चाहिए 3 अपॉन माइनस 2x. सो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, 3 से डिवाइड, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, 2 से डिवाइड, इन न्यूमरेटर 1 प्लस माइनस 8x बाई 3 रेस टू 3 बाय माइनस 8x. 3 से डिवाइड, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, माइनस 8 से डिवाइड, माइनस 8 से मल्टीप्लाई. सो ये टर्म का एग्जैक्ट रेसिप्रोकल होना चाहिए. This is the requirement x by 1, 1 by x. So this limit of this function is a. So ये भी e हो जाएगा. This is also e. So limit of numerator e to the power minus 8 by 3. Limit of denominator e to the power minus 2 by 3. So e to the power minus 8 by 3 plus 2 by 3. पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा. So it's minus 6 by 3. So this is e to the power minus 2. Equation second. Equation first. So equation first is the limit of this function. So limit extends to 0 f of x is e to the power minus 2. But f of 0 is not defined. Therefore, f of x is removable discontinuity. डिसकंटिन्यूस है बट इसको हम कहेंगे removable discontinuity. So we can redefine the function so as to it becomes continuous. So as to it becomes what? Continuous. So इसको redefine कैसे करेंगे? So very simple. यही एग्जाम्पल है, इसको redefine करेंगे. So therefore function this सिर्फ वैल्यू e to the power minus 2 रखना है, x is equal to 0. So ये डिफाइन नहीं, उसको डिफाइन किया at x is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Okay. सिर्फ मैंने यहाँ पर ऐड क्या किया, सिर्फ वैल्यू को डिफाइन किया मैंने. सो कंप्लीट फंक्शन डिफाइन हो गया. सो एज टू इट बिकम्स व्हाट? कंटिन्यूअस. सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस टू रिमूवेबल डिसकंटिन्यूटी. ओके. सो दिस इज द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल. विल टेक नाउ फोर्थ. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4 ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. f of x 3x minus 2 and 2x minus 3. So this is given x is less than or equal to minus 2 greater than or equal to minus 4. x is less than or equal to 6 greater than minus 2. So यहाँ पर minus 2 ऐसा पॉइंट जिसका लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट राइट हैंड लिमिट हम चेक कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज यहाँ पर x is less than minus 2 है, यहाँ पर x is greater than minus 2 है. सो वी कैन चेक द लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एंड राइट हैंड लिमिट. ये दो पॉइंट कभी चेक नहीं करना बिकॉज ये लोअर लिमिट है या अपर लिमिट है. -4 इज द लोअर लिमिट एंड अपर लिमिट इज व्हाट? +6. ये दो पॉइंट छोड़ देना, बीच में जो भी पॉइंट है उस पर ही चेक करना है. सो देखो यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, पहले लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड करेंगे. x इज लेस दैन -2, x इज लेस दैन -2. लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू -2 माइनस function is this 3x minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is -6 minus 2 which is equal to -8. This is equal to what? -8. x की जगह पर -2 रखना है, डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर्म में -8 इज द लिमिट. दिस इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. अब देखो राइट हैंड लिमिट क्या बनेगा, उसके पहले हम लिखेंगे फॉर x इज ग्रेटर दैन -2, x इज ग्रेटर दैन -2. लेस दैन -2 ग्रेटर दैन -2. सो लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू -2 प्लस f of x is equal to limit extends to -2 plus. So this is the function 2x minus 3 because यहाँ पर x is greater than -2 है. -2 is less than x, it means x is greater than -2. सो x की जगह पर -2 रखेंगे, -4 -3 इज इक्वल टू -7, इक्वेशन सेकंड। सो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज -8, राइट हैंड लिमिट इज -7 विच आर एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट। यहाँ पर लिखेंगे लिमिट x टेंड्स टू -2 माइनस f of x is not equal to limit x tends to -2 plus f of x. So therefore limit x tends to -2 f of x does not exist. इस फंक्शन का लिमिट एग्जिस्ट नहीं है, सो दिस इज irremovable discontinuity, irremovable discontinuity or jump discontinuity, because what, left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, it means what, limit does not exist. अगर limit does not exist means what, this is called as what, discontinuous function, but this type of discontinuous function is called as what, irremovable discontinuity. okay, अगर left hand limit is equal to right hand limit होता तो हम क्या करते थे, वैल्यू डिफाइन करते थे, बिकॉज लिमिट एग्जिस्ट है, सिर्फ हमें वैल्यू डिफाइन करनी उस फंक्शन की, so as to it becomes what, continuous, and that type is called as what, a removable discontinuity. But this type is called as what, irremovable or jump discontinuity, because left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. okay, I hope you understand this important question number 4. We'll take the last example of question number 9. Now let's finish the fifth example, number 5th of question number 9. So again a different type of example. This is x is greater than 2, means we have to find the right hand limit of this function. X is less than 2, we have to find the left hand limit of this function, and value is defined. So first of all we write given f of 2 is equal to 3, equation first, x की जगह पर 2 which is 3, this is the value. अब हम फाइंड करेंगे x is greater than 2 के लिए राइट हैंड लिमिट. सो दिस इज लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 2 प्लस f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus function is x cube minus 8 divided by x square minus 4. So this example, this function can be solved by formula method और फैक्टराइजेशन. इसको हम फैक्टराइजेशन यूज कर सकते हैं. 8 इज अ 2 क्यूब, 4 इज अ 2 स्क्वायर, ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब, ए माइनस बी, ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, ए माइनस बी, ए प्लस बी, एक्स माइनस 2, एक्स प्लस 2. So this factor cancel. Now we can replace x by 2. 2 square 4, 2 into 2 4 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 2 4. 12 divided by 4. So it is what? 3. So this is a right hand limit which is 3. Equation second. वैल्यू 3 है, राइट हैंड लिमिट भी 3 आया, अब सिर्फ लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट 3 आना चाहिए. अगर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट 3 आ गया तो फंक्शन क्या हो गया, कंटिन्यूअस. अगर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट 3 नहीं आया तो हम इसको क्या कहेंगे, डिसकंटिन्यूअस है, बट लिमिट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. व्हाई, बिकॉज लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज नॉट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट. ओके, लेट्स सी द प्रोसेस नाउ. सो फॉर x is less than 2, x is less than 2, limit x tends to 2 minus f of x, limit x tends to 2 minus function is this, a to the power 3 x minus 2 whole square minus 1 divided by x minus 2 whole square. पावर डिनोमिनेटर सेम होना चाहिए, बस सेम है, सिर्फ यहाँ पर 3 यहाँ पर 2 है. सो क्या करेंगे, सो ये 2 बाहर लेंगे, 1 limit x tends to 2 minus a to the power 3 into bracket x minus 2 whole square by 1 minus 1 divided by x minus 2 whole square. 3 से डिवाइड करें, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई. सो as x tends to 2, x minus 2 tends to what? 0. और x tends to 2 है तो x minus 2 tends to क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. So this limit of this formula satisfied. So this is 1. So what is left hand limit? 3/2. Equation third. Value 3, right hand limit 3, left hand limit 3/2. ये गलत डिफरेंट आ गया है. So यहाँ पर मेंशन करेंगे limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. Therefore limit x tends to 2 f of x is does not exist. Does not exist. Limit does not exist means this type of discontinuity is called as what? Irremovable discontinuity or jump discontinuity. यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक लाइन आपको लिखना है, दिस इज irremovable discontinuity. Okay, so this is the फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, 5 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के 3 हुए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 के 5 हुए. सो टोटल 8 एग्जाम्पल हुए हमारे. सो दिस इज अ सफिशिएंट स्टडी फॉर 1 वीडियो लेक्चर. we will see more example on next video. Okay, so stay tuned on this YouTube channel Math Mentor. Today I am going to stop here. Thank you very much.